channel. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Sleepsia Memory Foam Pillow, a cervical pillow designed specifically for neck and shoulder pain relief. If you're struggling with sleep issues or discomfort, stick around. Product information. First, let's dive into the product details. The Sleepsia Memory Foam Pillow comes in a sleek gray and white design. It's made from high-quality memory foam, which adapts to your head and neck for personalized comfort. Brand: Sleepsia. Size: standard. Shape: rectangular. Special features: orthopedic support, cervical alignment, memory foam comfort. Recommended for adults, particularly those with neck and shoulder pain. Product review. Return to you, maybe lying down with the pillow. I've been using this pillow for about a week now, and I have to say, I'm impressed. The ergonomic design is specifically crafted to maintain proper spinal alignment, which is crucial for anyone who suffers from neck pain or stiffness. The adjustable design allows you to customize the support to your liking, ensuring that your neck and head are aligned perfectly. This is especially helpful for both side and back sleepers. Pros and cons. Pros 1. Pain relief. Many users, including myself, have experienced a noticeable reduction in neck pain. 2. Improved sleep quality. The support helps maintain spinal alignment, leading to deeper and more restful sleep. 3. Muscle relaxation. It's great at relaxing tense neck muscles, which is a big plus after a long day. 4. Ergonomic design. The shape supports good posture, which is important for overall health. 5. Versatile use. Suitable for different sleeping positions, making it a great choice for most people. Cons. 1. Adjustment. Period. Some users may need a few nights to adjust to the new support. 2. Not washable. The pillow cover isn't machine washable, which might be a downside for some. Conclusion. So, what's the final verdict on the Sleepsia Memory Foam Pillow? If you're looking for a pillow that offers excellent support and can help alleviate neck and shoulder pain, I definitely recommend giving this one a try. It's made a positive difference for me, and I think it could for you too. And remember, good sleep is essential for our overall health. If you're interested in this pillow, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Feel free to modify any parts to fit your style and personality.